Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you this makeup tutorial that I followed from this man right here. I think he is extremely talented. This is a makeup tutorial that I will be following. Without further ado, let me go ahead and
I'm going to start by prepping my lids, and I am applying some concealer right on the lid. Right after that, I am going to use these two colors mixed together. The goal here is to put the color in, and then I am going to blend out any hard edges. Right after that, I am moving on to the brow bone, and for that I'm going to use this color. It's called Go Nude. And then with a crayon, which is blue, I am going to apply it right on the lid of the eye, and then I will be blending out those hard edges. Moving on to the palette, I am using this beautiful deep blue color, and I'm applying it right on top of that blue that we just put in. And to light up the look, right in the inner corner of the eye, I'm applying a lighter blue. Moving on to covering those dark circles, I am using the Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to start by applying those two colors mixed together and then the blue. And I'm going to use a black liner, and I'm going to apply it right on the waterline, and then I'm going to seal it in with a black shadow, following up with the lighter blue in the inner corner of the eye. And then I make sure everything is blended out nicely. Right after that, I am going to apply some glitter, and I decided to apply it with a brush, which it worked better for me. And then I went ahead and applied my falsies. Prior to that, I put some mascara on. And to contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl concealer. Right after that, I'm moving on with my foundation, and I'm applying it with a brush like so. For the blush, I will be using this one from Nars. It is called Better Than Sex, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. And then for the highlighter, I'm using this one from Fenty Cosmetics. Everything will be listed in the description box. For this look, I wanted to add a neutral lip color, and this is how the look turned out. Well, my friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.